Hello and welcome to Becoming Professional DevOps Engineer using Terraform Course. My name is Abid Malik and I will have this honor to be your instructor in this course. Now, you might be asking yourself this question, why another course on Terraform when there are many courses already out there? Very good question, and the answer is this course is different. Every instructor has their own teaching style, although the subject is the same, but different instructors take different approaches to teach the same subject. The teaching method that I have been using so far in one of my previous courses working great, and the results are amazing. If you don't believe, just peek at my other course and see by yourself, especially the comments around my teaching style. I don't just copy paste stuff and assume you got it. I work along with you right from scratch, so we both are on the same page. I don't proceed until you are, and to me, this is the best way to learn. That is why you will see my course rely heavily on assignments that I expect you to complete before going to the next topic. So if you are one of those learners who just want to watch the lessons and do not want to actually do the exercises on those lessons, then I'm really sorry, this course might not be a good fit for you. But if you are really serious about learning Terraform from scratch with practical exercises, then I want you to meet Bob. Bob is our future DevOps engineer who is also very eager to learn Terraform along with you. Bob is working as a junior DevOps engineer in a fictitious company called the Cloud Ops Experts that practices DevOps and cloud automation. Bob is very new to Terraform. He has heard a lot about this infrastructure as a code tool, so he is very anxious to learn it so he can start managing infrastructure as a code. Now, let me go through just over the highlights of this course. Of course, this is not a final list because this course will not stay static. I will be constantly upgrading this course to add more content on a monthly basis. So I really hope that you will register for this course and will gain some solid Terraform knowledge. My advice, just go and give it a try. If you don't like it, you have 100% money back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. Now, I want to thank to you for looking at this course and good luck with the learning, and I see you on the other side where we will start an awesome journey to become expert in Terraform.